So anyone will do as long as money, paper, bill. So 20, 50, or 100. Please come here and stage and join me. So most of our here are Harap because of very intelligent, charismatic, and musically inclined. Yes, sir? Please stand up here. You don't move or swing your arm. Now let's go in. Our wonderful blue. So blue flies over and gets some money. And what's next? Blue fly back to the table. And blue wants to. There you go. Donate your money. Sir, are you okay with donating your money? Are you okay with that? No hard feelings. Yes, sir. Are you okay with that one more? This time 500 peso. Sir, is that joke? Is that joke, sir? We're turning your money before that. Blue wants a picture for you for souvenir. And please stand up there and follow clear path instruction. Give me the best pose and smile. Together, money with blue. Sir, here's your money, sir.